When you are working on your design, this is quite small. If you want to click here, make changes, well, it can be done, but well, it's easier to make it larger. And here you have in the taskbar, you have a magnifying glass, and here you can use it to zoom in. So if I click here, you can see it gets bigger and bigger, and this is easier to see where you click. And of course, if you want to see more of the overall design, you can use the zoom out button. So let's do that. And of course, you can also do this through the view menu. You can see here zoom in, zoom out. I must say that I never use it this way. And what I have taught myself is to use this combination, because I zoom in and out a lot, and then it's much easier to remember this. And here you see you have to do Alt and plus. Well, usually when you have shortcut keys, you see like for instance Ctrl plus O, it's for opening a file, and then you don't use the plus key. And in this case you do need to use the plus key. And so let's go here, and now I press the Alt button, or the Alt key, and then I use the plus key, and again, and you see it zooms in. And of course, if you want to zoom out, you can again press the Alt key and then use the minus key, and then it zooms out again. Well, there's something else that I want to show you, and I will magnify it first. If you look at this design, you see that this looks like the threads in your weaving, and I like that a lot, because yeah, I want to see it, the way it will look as much as possible in my designs. Of course, there's some fun with surprises, but okay. When you go to here, you can use this normal cloth. You see, it changes to just yeah, a color design. And again, when you use interlacement, you see this. Well, there are some other choices. If you do wrap, it's warp face, you can use that, left face, but this design is not really meant for this. You can also use this button to switch this. If you hover over it, you see the interlacement. You see now here that the background is light gray, and this means that you don't see interlacements. If you go here, you see that the mark here as a normal cloth. If you push that button here, you see the background is dark gray, and that means that interlacement is on, and you can also see this here. So you can use this button also. Well, that was a little bit more about the look, and yeah, easier working.